How's it going, my Tweety birds? Today is your lucky day. Today you will learn how to bake a turkey, the American way. We will be baking a 10-pound turkey. I will show you the steps from start to finish so you can overcome your fears and impress your friends and family with these new skills. Let's get started. This is a 10-pound turkey. You must thaw it 2 days before the event so it can cook evenly inside the oven. First of all, you must unwrap the turkey. Give it a nice wash and retrieve any entrails and ice remaining inside the body. Make sure to wash it really good and extract any ice left inside and whatever entrails you may find. After the turkey has been properly cleaned, by extracting the entrails and remaining ice, you must dry any water left on the carcass and dry it. Then you must place your baking pan on a flat surface. Place a metal holder, if you have it, in the center of your pan. After that, place your clean and dried turkey on top of it, ready to be prepared. For the stuffing, we will apply this particular brand OS stuffing mix. You can use any brand you might prefer. You must cut a half onion and dice it to medium-sized squares. After that, grab 2 celery sticks and cut them lengthwise first and then chop it up in tiny squares as well. To this, you will add the entire package of the mix and other ingredients. You can also add 1 cup of milk and batter 2 eggs into the mix. Also, you can add some butter and sprinkle some additional spices you may like, such as pepper and paprika. Put the soft butter in the bowl and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Our stuffing is now complete and ready to be used. Next, we must make our home dressing to rub it into our turkey. For that purpose, we will use 1½ sticks of soft butter, the equivalent of 2 cups. Pour some salt, Italian spices, and some olive oil to the mix. If you can, use half an orange. If not, use half of a lemon juice instead and add 2 spoons of brown sugar for sweetness before mixing the ingredients. Blend it in the food processor for a few seconds. Now our dressing is ready to be applied on the turkey. After that, it's time to prepare the turkey by going underneath the skin. You can do this by gently inserting your hand under it by creating deep pockets where you will insert the dressing to marinate the meat during the baking process. Make sure to cover all the internal areas by rubbing gently under the skin and over it so it can absorb the spices and be absorbed more flavor. Now it's time to fill it up with the stuffing we made before. You must separate the legs for a better aperture and by going deep to fill the cavity with the stuffing. After this, it's time to apply the dressing mix by hand to cover the whole bird. Make sure your hands are clean and ready. Rub the dressing compound all over the turkey, fill every spot and rub it well on top and under the skin. Sprinkle some black pepper on top of the skin for extra flavor. Now we are going to cover our turkey with aluminum foil to keep the turkey from burning and seal the spicy flavors from escaping the heat inside the oven. After that, proceed to set the oven temperature to that of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Open the door and place your turkey in the middle rack. Remove any unnecessary racks inside if needed. Set the initial time for 2 hours. After the first 2 hours have passed by, you can reduce the oven's temperature from 350 to 250 degrees.
2 hours later.
Open the oven's door and remove the aluminum foil and check the temperature. Ideally, the internal temperature of the meat should reach 170 degrees. Rub some of the remaining dressing on top and around the turkey to keep it moisty for the next hour. You can cover the tips of the wings with small pieces of aluminum foils so they don't get burnt. Close the door and set the timer for 1 more hour. And that it's all. While the turkey is roasting inside the oven to finish cooking and get a browny color, we will proceed to prepare the side dishes to accompany the main meal. These sides commonly are mashed potatoes, turkey gravy, and vegetables. In order to prepare mashed potatoes, in this particular occasion, we will be using pre-made potato mix instead of fresh potatoes. They are practical and easy to prepare. Just add 2 cups of water on a medium-sized pot. When it starts boiling, open the package and pour it in the water. After that, reduce the heat and add some garlic, butter, ground pepper, and a cup of milk. Mix it all and set aside. Now it's time to prepare our turkey gravy. Pour in a small saucepan 1 cup of water and let it boil. Add the small package of powder gravy and dissolve it by hand with your whisk. Make sure there are no lumps and the sauce keeps a slightly thick consistency. Put it aside to be used later on. You can use canned vegetables, fresh or frozen if you prefer. Just place them in a small pan, add some water and then some chicken base and ground black pepper for flavor. Stir them at low temperature until they are warm, soft and ready to eat. Put them aside and get ready to pull the turkey from the oven.
One hour later.
By now, our turkey is almost ready. Turn off the oven and let the turkey sit there for about 15 minutes while it cools down before cutting. This is done for safety and facility to cut the layers of the breast. After the side dishes have been prepared, now we can start portioning the small containers for keeping the slices of turkey with mashed potatoes, vegetables with gravy and stuffing. Use a serrated knife to carve the turkey and cut layers from top to bottom. Carefully place the meat in the small containers and finish them by adding some of the stuffing and gravy on top. And there you have it, my Tweety birds. Our turkey is juicy, delicious and ready to eat. You can add some cranberry sauce on the side as it is the traditional way to enjoy it in America. After watching this instructional video, you are more confident to take a leap of faith on yourself and overcome the fear to safely prepare this dish at home. Just follow these simple steps and you will be able to achieve great results. I hope you have learned something new and useful, and now you have a new skill that will come handy during holiday seasons. I thank you for your time and patience. This video was made for men who wants to take the challenge and enjoy the process. I salute you and hope to see you again in another video. Please don't forget to rate and subscribe. That will mean the world to me so more people get recommended. Enjoy!